Are you looking for a nice little pocket cruiser? Then come with me for a quick walk-around tour on this 2000 Regal 2960 Commodore. We've seen this boat before. However, in 2015, we put in twin new long block 5.7 MerCruisers, and last year we put new outdrives on her along with bottom tank. We also, while she was in the yard, had a new hard mackerel enclosure made with new canvas. The boat says 2000, but everything on her is 2015 and newer. So come with me, quick walk around tour on this 2960 Regal here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are starting off starboard bow area on this 2000 Regal. We see we've got a nice anchor right there, covered windlass with foot pedals also. Coming down along the side, we have this LLI, Ladies Like It feature, a nice large sun pad to lay out on. We also have a hatch that allows light and air into the cabin. Regal does a very nice job, good stainless steel. We also have the stainless steel port lights there. This gives us a view of the full camper enclosure. This is the upgraded isinglass, nice and clear, heavy duty, will last for years. There's also a full cover that protects it when not in use. Coming down along the side, there's our Regal 2960 Commodore badge, and then moving down, we get to see just how shiny the boat is. She was just buffed and waxed. An added feature here on this boat, we've got a custom extended swim platform there, and included with purchase is the Dinghy and 4 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Stepping on the boat, we see here at the transom, we've got the boat's name right there. We also, in that corner, that's a fender storage rack right there. This gives us an overview of the cockpit. As we enter, there's a hot and cold transom shower right here. And then we've got a nice fold-down transom seat. If you want engine access or to fish back here, that seat collapses up against the transom. Gives you that much more room. We've got nice U-shaped seating right here with some nice decor. Off to starboard, we have our wet bar right here, and then another LLI feature is the circular lounge right there. You can sit next to your companion, you can sit facing forward or aft, and there's lots of storage up underneath. Here at the helm, we've got a swivel seat here with a bolster, so you can easily drive standing up. For convenience, on our right side, we have all of our switches, light switches, build switches, etc. Below, we have Raymarine VHF radio, awesome Fusion stereo. We have our Xantrex battery monitor right there, stainless steel ship's wheel, and then up here we have all of our gauges, our trim, oil, temperature, volt, and fuel right there. Now this Raymarine unit also is GPS, radar, chart plotter with side scanning sonar to help you find the fish that much easier. And of course the compass. Access to that foredeck is nice and easy. Up the step, and out right there. This is going to give us an overview of the interior cockpit on this vessel. If you notice, we've got new speakers there also, and that's a nice aft-facing view. From here, let's go into the cabin. We enter the cabin through this bifold door and down a few steps. This gives us a great overview of the interior. Immediately upon entry we've got a fully lined fiberglass head here, easy to care for, easy to clean. We've got new head facilities, and we've got hatch for light and air. We have a tank level indicator also, and the RV style shower right there. Coming down along the port side, we have our galley. Have a refrigerator below, cabinet, Korean style countertop, dual burner propane stove, some nice little mood lighting there, storage, shelf, microwave, sink, etc. Now as we move forward even more, we have a nice little cedar lined hanging locker here, and then a countertop here. Circling around, our bed is on the angle, it's over 7 feet long, and then we do have a hatch and a privacy curtain right there. Coming down along the starboard side, we have our booth style dinette. There is storage underneath, and the table does get lowered for yet another sleeping area. Moving aft, we see we have our stereo amplifier, our tank monitor, freshwater, gray water, black water, another stereo, and our power panel is right here. And then further behind, we see we have a large flat screen TV, and then we have yet another mid-berth, double wide over here, and full beam, over 8 feet long in its entirety. From here, let's go. We'll look at the engines. Space. Now for a quick check, engine access is relatively easy. We have that aft panel which can open up, just fold the transom seat back, and this gives us a quick inspection area to the oils and fluids and everything that we need. Here we are, we have the engine compartment opened up completely. Let's get down inside. Now, these engines are 5.7 engine blocks. We do have the 5.0 cowls on there, just because we couldn't get new cowls in time for the video. We see the engines are neat, clean. The risers have been done within the past year and a half, along with the manifolds. Here's our port engine, and then our starboard engine's right there also. We've got a new hot water heater there, and for additional power, we have a large 8D battery here, along with a starting battery and our ProSign inverter right there. The engine space is neat, clean, orderly. We also have, keep in mind, we've got new outdrives on this boat, along with new bottom paint. The hull says 2000, but everything else on this boat is within the past 4 or 5 years. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. Here we have a 2000 Regal 2960 Commodore. This is a beautiful boat, just been buffed and waxed. Fully detailed, nice, neat, clean. There's a nice transom shot. This boat does have the extended swim platform and nice vinyl teak decking on her.